Swedish cartoonist Lars Vilks, who lived under police protection after his 2007 depiction of the Prophet Muhammad prompted death threats, died Sunday in a car accident. The 75-year-old and 2 police officers were killed in a collision with an oncoming truck, Swedish police confirmed to AFP. This is being investigated like any other road accident. Because 2 policemen were involved, an investigation has been assigned to a special section of the prosecutor's office, a police spokesperson told AFP, adding that there was no suspicion of foul play. The accident occurred near the small town Markaryd when the car, Vilks, was traveling and crashed into an oncoming truck. Both vehicles caught fire and the truck driver was hospitalized, according to police.
إن الذين يؤذون الله ورسوله لعنهم الله في الدنيا والآخرة وأعد لهم عذابا مهينا.
Indeed, those who abuse Allah and His Messenger, Allah has cursed them in this world and the hereafter, and prepared for them a humiliating punishment.